welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 14, finding solutions to inequalities in context. So Andre has a summer job selling magazine subscriptions. He earns $25 per week plus $3 for every subscription he sells. Andre hopes to make at least enough money this week to buy a new pair of soccer cleats. So for A, let N represent the number of Let N represent the number of magazine subscriptions Andre sells this week. Write an expression for the amount of money he makes this week. So we know he earns $3 for every subscription and he earns $25 a week. So 3N plus the 25. The least expensive pair of cleats Andre wants costs $68. Write and solve an equation to find out how many magazine subscriptions Andre needs to sell to buy cleats. So we have 3N plus 25 equals the 68. So we'd subtract 25. So 68 minus 25 is going to give us 43. So we have 3N equals 43. We divide by 3. 43 divided by 3 is 14.3 repeating, which means he would need to sell 15 subscriptions. For C, if Andre sold 16 magazine subscriptions this week, would he reach his goal? So yes, he would. Like we said, he only needed to sell 15, and 16 is greater than 15. So yes. What are some other numbers of magazine subscriptions Andre could have sold to still reach his goal? So he could have sold 15, 17, 100, 90, basically any whole number greater than our 14. Write an inequality expressing that and Andre wants to make at least $68. So that's just using our expression for how much he earns a week. And then he wants to earn at least the 68, so greater than or equal to 68. Write an inequality to describe the number of subscriptions he must sell to reach his goal. So N is greater than or equal to 14 and 1/3, which we know he can't sell a third of a subscription. So N is greater than or equal to 15. All right. Number 2, Diego has budgeted $35 from his summer job earnings to buy shorts and socks for soccer. He needs 5 pairs of socks and a pair of shorts. The socks cost different amounts in different stores. The shorts he wants cost $19.95. Let X represent the price of 1 pair of socks. Write an expression for the total for the socks and shorts. So we know the shorts are $19.95. That doesn't change. Plus the socks, he needs 5 pairs of them times however much they cost. So this would be our equation, 5x plus $19.95. So we know that he wants to spend exactly $35 or less. So 5x plus $19.95 equals 35. We subtract off that $19.95. So we end up with 5x equals, so we take 35 minus $19.95 and we get $15.05. Then we divide that by 5. So we find out that X equals $3.01. So his socks would have to be $3.01 for each pair of socks. So for C, list some other possible prices for the socks that would still allow Diego to stay within budget. So any price under $3.01 would keep him at budget. And our inequality, so X is less than or equal to, because we want it under the $3.01, because that's the maximum he could have. So there is our inequality for this. So your keyword for this lesson is inequalities. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.